Hey, REC TEC family. I'm here with my little buddy, not so little, Ray Carnes.
Hey, that's rude, man. Ray Carnes, co-founder of REC TEC.
Co-founder.
Yeah.
What are we
Tell
doing?
them what we're doing.
What are we doing today? Oh,
We're
we're gonna do a little bit of fried onion straws today. We're making a burger this afternoon, a Texas burger. So what we did basically, made a simple beer batter, 2 cups of flour, 2 beers, your choice. I used an IPA and a Coors Light. Coors Light's my all-day drinking beer, if anybody wants to know. So we're just gonna, we cut these into what? Shout out Coors Light. How big did you cut these today, Ray?
1/4 inch.
1/4 inch. Just do a few onions. We got our oil getting hot out there on the Bullseye, on our iron skillet. We're gonna take this out. You're just gonna dip this in the batter, throw it in the fryer, 2 to 3 minutes till they puff up. This makes a great side, a great appetizer. You can also substitute for the, what, the fake?
Green
bean casserole.
Green bean casserole he was mentioning.
Yeah.
Like instead of the fake onion
straws,
you can make fresh ones. That sounds pretty good, man.
It is delicious.
So how many do you do at a time? Kind of like lay a few
just
in
lay
there?
a few in, yeah.
So we're gonna go to the Bullseye.
We're gonna go to the Bullseye.
So what are we supposed to say next?
That's your line this time. I opened up.
Oh, we'll see you at the REC TEC. You're back with us. We finished up these awesome onion rings or onion straws.
Supposed to be onion straws.
We didn't quite cut them thin enough, but that's okay. They're delicious. We made a dipping sauce here. This is aioli. It's mayo, a little bit of our honey rib rub, sriracha, and a little bit of Dijon mustard. And it's delicious.
It's delicious sauce.
And we love it. We also made some sweet potato fries in another video. You can check that out. And these are going, this is going on top of our burger, whiskey burger.
Texas burger, whiskey burger.
Texas burger, we're calling it. Check that video out. These are going on our salmon burger. Check that video out. Visit us on all social media, and we will see you at the REC TEC. Thanks for joining us today. Take care.